Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about an amazing new feature from TikTok which is called TikTok Stabilization, which is basically a feature to stabilize your videos and give you less shaky and less blurry videos and images on TikTok. My name is Pranay Aluria and you're watching my channel where I discuss about social media tips, digital marketing and especially TikTok as well. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon as well so that you know every time I upload a new video. So what is this TikTok stabilization feature which has been recently launched and why is it important for your video quality and why it helps to get you more views and followers as well. So video stabilization is basically a method to improve and remove all the jerks and all the blurriness in your videos which has happened because you're panning a video or you're moving your hands too much while making a video on TikTok or you're making a video in general, and because of that your videos tend to get blurry or your videos have a lot of shakes which could have been prevented. So through software and algorithm, TikTok now uses that method through stabilization to remove your shakes and remove anything which is shaky in your video to give you much more clearer and crisper video. The attention span in TikTok videos is very less. I mean, in your initial few seconds you have to gather the attention of the users, otherwise your videos will be swiped up, and because of that your video quality has to be maintained and it has to be improved over the period of time. For improving your video quality on TikTok, TikTok Stabilization has been launched. What it does is it removes anything which is shaky or blurry in your video and makes your video very stable and very appealing to the users. And because of that, your videos will get a lot more of views and a lot more of viewers over a period of time. I mean, a lot of people complain that even if their content is amazing, their video quality is not that great, and because when you shoot through the video camera of TikTok, it is not very great. I mean, when you shoot videos from TikTok app, it's not very stabilized or it's not very very good in terms of video editing or in terms of video appealing to the users. And because of that, now TikTok has launched this feature, stabilization. This feature is not mandatory for all video users. I mean, this might or might not be available to you right now, but over the period of time this will be available for sure. And you make sure that whenever you are shooting your videos from your back camera of your phone, you use this feature. This feature is not available on the selfie camera or the front camera. I don't know why TikTok has done that. While TikTok is a social media app, it requires a lot of video editing as well. I mean, the benchmarks have been really set high by the users now, whether people are using green screen effects, people are using VFX effects, people are having professionally edited videos and now they're uploading that on TikTok. And because of that, if your content is not that great, your video quality has to be great. Even if your video content is great, you are still having your competition with the people who are using top-notch cameras from Apple or DSLR videos, and hence your video quality has to improve, and that's why TikTok Stabilization, which is a mode for video stabilization, you should be using it for sure. I mean, there is no way your videos can be really amazing without using this feature. So going ahead, make sure that you use this feature and do not make any videos without using this, because this will definitely increase your video quality, this will definitely get you more views and definitely get you more subscribers as well. So make sure you use this feature. Now on my mobile phone, I'm going to take you and show you how this feature is used and what is the difference in the video quality when you use this feature and when you don't use this feature. So let's move to my mobile screen now. Okay guys, so you are on my mobile screen now and I'm going to go to the TikTok app. Click on the video shoot button and then over here you can see the stabilization button which is over here right now. Okay, so now I'm going to shoot a video without stabilization and then see the effect, and then also shoot a video with stabilization on and then see its effect and what are the difference between the two videos. Let's do it now. So guys, this is the video right now which is without the stabilization mode, and I'm slowly dragging my camera towards myself for that. So guys, now the stabilization mode is on, but I have been still moving my camera towards me, and I guess you can see the difference that the video is much more stabilized than the previous video. So guys, I hope you saw the video with and without video stabilization on TikTok. Why this feature is so important, now you know it. Because as you can see, the video was stabilized and the video was pretty smooth even while I was moving the camera, and that's what you will also have to do while moving your camera or while making videos. When you're walking, talking, it will make your video look really amazing and really super smooth as well. So guys, hope you liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, do share your feedback in the comments. Also hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video you guys get to know and you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you.